Dun sa John chapter 13, ting nabanggit din to ni Alvin kanina. Jesus wash. Nung winash ni Lord Jesus Christ yung mga paa ng mga disciple, He asked the question, do you know what I have done for you? Do you know what I have done for you? So first things first, kapag nakita na natin yun, yung mga nangyayari sa paligid natin, getting worse and worse, dapat i-evaluate natin yung sarili natin. Make sure na you have the right relationship with God. Na tama yung puso mo, yung pagkakakilala mo at pagtanggap mo kay Lord Jesus. First thing para sa atin. Second,